Alright, so here's the second part of whole numbers. So we're going to start off with just whole number multiplication. So let's do 584 times 23. So hopefully this is a review. 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25, carry the 2. And 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Put your 0 placeholder. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Oops, writing the wrong number. 16, carried my 1. And 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Then add this up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13, carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 6 is 14, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and bring down that 1. So 584 times 23 is 13,432. Alright, so now we're going to do some order of operations. So when you do order of operations, you can think of the acronym PEMDAS, but I write it a little differently. So the first one is parentheses. You do those first, then exponents, multiplication left to right, and then addition and subtraction left to right. Multiplication and division, one doesn't come before the other except for when you work left to right. So let's look at that. So let's say we have 12 divided by 3 times 4. So we're going to do multiplication division left to right. So if you're looking from the left to the right, the first thing that comes up is 12 divided by 3. So we need to do that first. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then 4 times 4 is 16. So let's reverse those operations. Let's say we had 12 times 3 divided by 4. So I just reversed the operations. So here we have multiplication first when we look left to right. So we're going to do 12 times 3 first, which is 36. And then we're going to do 36 divided by 4 is 9. So when you're doing order of operations, make sure you're working left to right. So let's throw in an addition or subtraction in there. So we'll do 12 minus 3 plus 2 times 4. Alright, so when we look at this, we have to work left to right, and multiplication division becomes before addition and subtraction. So the first one we're going to get when we're going left to right is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Rewrite what we have, 12 minus 3 plus 8. Now we're doing addition and subtraction because that's all we have left, but we're still going left to right. So the first thing we have is 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. And then we have 9 plus 8, which is 17. Alright, last thing we're going to do today is go over the properties of numbers. There's 3 properties of numbers you need to know: the commutative property, the associative property, and the identity property. So commutative means it's like we're all in different cars and we're all going to the same place, and it really doesn't matter who's in front of the other. So an example of that would be 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. Now commutative only applies to addition and multiplication, meaning it doesn't matter which one comes first. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 5 is 9. Associative means we're going to change who we associate, and to be associative you have to have parentheses. So if we have 5 plus parentheses 3 plus 4, that is the same as 5 plus 3 plus 4. So if we work this out, doing the parentheses first, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 13, or 12, sorry. If we did it the other way, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So we changed who we associated with, but we didn't change the value of the number sentence. And the last one is the identity property. The identity property means we can do something to a number without changing its value. And there's a couple things you can do. You can add 0, or you can multiply by 1. Adding 0 is not going to change your number, and multiplying by 1 is not going to change your number. So those are the 3 properties of numbers that you need to know.